Hello everyone, welcome to Sulfursoft. Today we are going to start lecture 2 of Python Mega course. We are going to learn how to install Python programming language in your system and how to install integrated development environment Pycharm. Let's start both installation. The sequence of installation will be: first we will install Python, then we will install Pycharm. Python.org is the official website of Python programming language. Here you can download Python programming language exe file, which will install Python and Python IDE. What is Python Integrated Development Environment, which is built in available through this site? What it is, we will also see that after downloading. From here, you can download it. Previously, there used to be an other version which was called Python 2.6, but now you can see that version is not available, as I already told you that in 2020 Python is not going to support their older version. So we are going to install the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.8.3 at this moment. Python 3.8.3.exe file has been downloaded in my system. Now I am going to install Python. You will also check this add Python 3.8 to path, and then you'll do install now. It will ask you give the permission please. Now Python has been installed in my system. I will close from here. I will also close the Google. Now let's see if Python has been installed or not. Let me check. Python. Look at here. Python has been installed. With this, I have got Python manual, Python module docs, how much modules are there and what is the documentation of those modules. We also got that one by default. Now, what is this? Python Integrated Development Environment, IDE. We have also got this by default. First, we will check what is it, and then we will go toward the Pycharm installation. Let's run. First, I will pin it to my taskbar. Then we will see how it is working. This is also called Python shell. On Python shell, you can execute the program. Now we are going to run a code on this Python shell. We have got the output of print hello world as hello world. The same example we have seen in the previous videos when we used the Pycharm. Now we can execute the code in this default Python shell or default integrated development environment, but it is not suitable for larger code. If we want to write multiple lines of codes, then we need an integrated development environment, which is Pycharm, Spider, Jupyter, and there are many more integrated development environment to write bigger code for bigger application in Python. But in this tutorial, we are going to use most popular IDE developed by the JetBrain, which is also called Pycharm. Now let's start to install Pycharm. We can install the Pycharm from the official website of jetbrain.com/pycharm. They have different IDs for different languages, but as we want to install Pycharm, which is specifically for Python, and here you can see it is also written the Python IDE for professional developers. These have two versions. When we click on the download button, the page will move forward toward the professional and community download options. At this moment, we can use free trial of professional, but after some time it will ask for the license key and you will have to pay for that one. But as we are learning the Python, then community version is enough for us. So we are going to download the community version, which is also free and open source. Pycharm has been downloaded in my system. Now I am going to install Pycharm. Allow the Pycharm. Here is the path where Pycharm is going to install in your system. You can change the path by browsing, but I'm going to keep it as a default path. Just do next. You can choose desktop shortcut, update context menu, create association.py file, update path variable. You can do this, but I'm going to do just next. Just finish it. PyCharm has been installed in my system. Let's see. I'm going to pin it to the taskbar. It is already pinned up. I can also start it from here. PyCharm is opening. I have already created a demo project, but I'm going to start from the scratch. I'll go to the create new project option. Here, I'll name it as demo 2. It is virtual environment. We'll see in the next videos what is virtual environment. It is creating virtual environment. It will take some time. For every project, it will create new virtual environment. Demo 2 project has been created in the PyCharm. Now I am going to start a new file to run a code, and that file will be a Python file. I will name it as test3 file. Now Python file will be created is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, print a plus b. So first, initially you will go into the run, then you will make a command run, and you will select test run 3. From here you can also run, but there's a drop down. Here you can see test 1, test 2, test 3 file. We want to execute the code of test 3 file, so we have selected it here. If your file is not available here, then initially you will go to run, You will execute the command here. You will select the file from here. So we are ready, and now we can start coding bigger applications by using integrated development environment of Pycharm. Thank you.